Busy morning. So the plan this morning is just to go through the boat, checking out all the little hatchways, little hidey holes and little cupboards, and just start to do an inventory of all the bits and pieces that are left on the boat. I don't think there's a light in this area. That's a VHF radio antenna, maybe. Oh, cool. All of this was left by the previous owner for us. There's so much stuff: rope, tools, toolboxes, sealant, life jackets. They've even had made, which I think is really cool, Perspex companionway. I guess for when you're out and about in the summer and you want to let plenty of light in and it's not too cold. Yeah, look at this. It's Aladdin's cave of goodies. I mean, even the rope itself, you know, it's quite expensive. Pegs, washing lines. You can tell this was really used well. This boat was really used to its maximum potential by the previous owners, and yeah, fair play to them. They enjoyed this boat, you can tell. Oh, okie dokie. So in here, battery compartment, 2 pretty new batteries, various bits and pieces that have been left. What we got? So antifreeze coolant, grease, I don't know, degreaser concentrated, don't know, hose, what's this? Impeller 1 times 1, impeller times 2, cutting compound, cables, hoses, quite a bit of stuff. Okay. And then this locker, oh my word, all sorts. So what's in there? Gloves, sandpaper, hoses, what else? Marine polish, shore power by the looks of it, more cutting compound, cleaning products. What's this? Antifreeze, more, full one, varnish. My lord, word. So we've got oil filter, fan belts times 2, low tack masking tape, okay. Fuel filter, there. What's this one? Another fuel filter. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and oil filters. Lord, tons of stuff. Quick drying oil. Abrasive blocks. Oh, a bit of lighter fluid. There, various polishes and bits of cables, more cleaning products. What's that? Disposable overalls. Thought of everything. Cut compound. Well. Okay. That way. Back in there. And the lid back on. So, radar, GPS, auto helm, VHF radio, So I think now plug it in and see which of these things actually work. So in the galley area, there's a whole bunch of kitchen utensils, cleaning products, hand wipes, lighters, waste bags. I think there's another little storage area there with, put a light on in there, I think. All sorts of hand towels, more cleaning products in there. Aladdin's cave, this is tea towels. But there's lots of Cornwall holiday tea towels. Got a little bin there, move that out of the way. We've got a little locker there. And the sink waste. More cleaning equipment in here. There is a chopping board and loads. Plates, bowls, cups, bottle openers, tins of food, tuna, beans. Yeah, everything to go. Again, all of this was left for us by the previous owner. Some pots and pans, sealable tubs. Oh, look at that, toast. And obviously there's the cooker. And a little bit more storage down this way. There was just cleaning products, lots of them. Bags of wipes, hand wipes, sponges, cloths, bleach, and I think there's just a load of rubbish bags in there. So that's the galley area. Time for a brew, I think. So, more storage under the seat, but there's bags of bits and pieces, cables, tape, gaffer tape, and I don't know what the hell these are. They look like plugs. Assorted sizes. I wonder if that's to sort you out if you get a hole or something. Huge great set of bolt croppers. Ropes. I guess that's probably halyard. Spare for the jib or main, not sure. Looks pretty decent. Hose pipe, handy stuff. Mallet, bit of spare cable. I'm guessing that is the handle for the windlass, I think. Well, let's pop this back in then.